Right, quick room tour for you guys. We've got room 1416, which is a family superior room. And if you don't like us, you'd be nosy, not wanting to know what they look like. So, here we go. So you walk in, bathroom's to your left. And turn the light on. Want to find light switch? There we go. Nice big shower in these family superior rooms. Very big walk-in shower. There's your toilet. Quite a big room, to be fair. You get an hairdryer in these rooms as well, which you don't in your other rooms. Wardrobe space, plenty. Get a double bed there. Another big bed there. This is one of the two balconies, which leads out onto this side of the hotel. So you've got that view from this side of the hotel, all across the aqua park. If we go back in, and then you've got your second balcony, which is on the front of the hotel, and you get that view.